what destroying your gut bacteria and killing your fat loss process. So this is part 2 of gut health and fat loss connection. Your gut has a good bacteria that keep you lean, energetic, strong, but most people are killing them every single day without even realizing it. Let's talk about what's silently damaging your gut and blocking your fat loss. So your gut bacteria thrive on the balance, but certain habits and food completely destroy that balance. So here I'm going to share 5 things which is killing your gut health completely. First, too much processed food and sugar. They feed your bad bacteria, cause inflammation and weaken your digestion. Two, a frequent antibiotic and painkiller. They don't just kill your infection, they also wipe out all the good bacteria from the gut. Three, lack of fiber. Your gut bacteria eat fiber. If you are not eating enough veggies, seeds, fruits daily, your gut bacteria just suffer. Number four, stress and poor sleep. When you're stressed, your hormones like a cortisol rise up. Your gut lining become a weaker and leading to acidity, bloating, IBS symptoms. Number five, artificial sweetener. Things like diet soda, zero calories drinks, they may sound healthy, but they confuse your gut microbiome and reduce the insulin sensitivity. When all of these things happen, your bodies get inflamed, digestion slow down, and your body's ability to burn fat drastically drop down. The result, you feel heavy, constipated, low on energy, and your weight loss just stuck. So before changing your workout, diet, or program, fix what inside first. Heal your gut, and your metabolism will automatically follow that.